If you are struggling to locate your archived emails in Gmail, don't worry. This is a common issue and very easy to fix. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to instantly find all your archived messages using a simple and reliable method. First, make sure your Gmail app is fully updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Gmail, and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, install the latest version. Keeping your app updated ensures all features work correctly and improves search performance. Once updated, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Now, if you've archived emails before and can't seem to find them, there's no need to panic. Go directly to the top of the screen and tap on the search bar. This is the fastest way to filter specific emails inside Gmail. Now type the keyword "Is Dorothy archived" and press search. This command tells Gmail to display only archived messages, instantly filtering out everything else like inbox, spam, or promotions. Within a few seconds, all your archived emails will appear clearly in the results. You can tap on any email to open, read, or even move it back to your inbox if needed. This method is simple, effective, and works on all modern Android versions. No complicated settings, no extra tools, just a quick search trick inside Gmail. Now you can easily find your archived emails anytime in Gmail. If this helps, stay tuned for more quick and simple fixes.